Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will explain the Samsung Excellent update for the Galaxy users for the modes and routine update. So if you have any Samsung device, latest Samsung Galaxy device, you can use these amazing modes and routine updates on your Samsung phone. So first of all, open the Good Luck application on your device. If you can also download it from the Play Store or a Galaxy Store on your device. After download and install the Good Lock application, tap on it on your Samsung device. Here make sure your modes and routines update with the latest version. Scroll down until find the routines plus option on your Samsung device. Here make sure update this application to the latest version. Various features have been added to the modes and routines, allowing you to create a more powerful routine. So install it. Tap on icon, tap on three dots, tap on about. Here you can see the version is the 1.1.18 version on your device. So make sure install this on your Samsung device. Now go back. Now here you can see the create more useful routines. Add condition, S Pen action. So if you have a Samsung S25 Ultra, S25 Ultra, S23 Ultra, you can use your S Pen to create or more routines on your device. Also you can see side and navigation button action, direction key, touch micro, easily use picture added through suggestion routines. So here you can see the routines activate operation with S Pen action. So here you can use your S Pen to set the routine on your device. Automation activation for continuous touch operation. So this is the all available update. Let's see it one by one. So go back, tap on the routines. Now open the application on my device. Now you can see the recommended routines, location based, quick access, runner touch, micro, fingerprint to website. This is the new amazing open a prefer website whenever you unlock your phone with your fingerprint. So using your fingerprint, you can access your favorite website. The main setting gets update. This is the just in routine display things that are easy to miss in daily life. So tap on it. Here you can also add it to the home screen. If you tap on add to the home screen option, so tap on it. Tap on add and touch and hold icon to add it to the home screen. Now tap on it. Tap on create your first just in routine. Now this is the all new settings available on the latest routine and mode update on the Good Lock application on your Samsung device. So you will get a notification trailer to the situation like a transfer. If you want to transfer data from old device to new device, which is a computer, you can set a schedule. You can set a shopping. Here you can set shopping if you forgot any next or next sale on the Flipkart, Amazon. You can set it using the shopping tab. Plant watering if you want water in the plant. Doctor visit if you forgot any doctor visit when next you meet doctor, you can set the doctor visit time, digit base. Exercise, you can set your exercise routine. You can also set the fuel charge. So tap on next. First of all, you need to select. So here we select the option like shopping. Now tap on next. Now here you can see the please enter content to display. Here we select the shopping like a Flipkart shopping. Flipkart freedom sale shopping. Currently Flipkart freedom sale is running, so we select this. Here you can enter the details like you want to buy. Tap on the next button. Now here you can see open Flipkart or no action. So here we select the open Flipkart or tap on a setting gear icon. Here you can see the list of applications you want directly access. Open an app, Flipkart, direct search bar, view cart, view order, scan and pay. You can also use a open galaxy NS feature, also open quickly gallery, so you can access all this function using this new amazing modes and routine section. So we currently on here we select the only open Flipkart, tap on the next button. Now set the notification repeat condition you want on your device, daily, weekly, monthly, last date, last digit. So select the option you want, like here we select today's date 4th August, so we select the 4th August. For notification is currently 11:33, so we set 11:35 for it. So tap on next. Now select time to display, so set up on custom. Now here we select the time 11:35 for the notification we receive. Now with 11:36 set, tap on a confirm, tap on a next. Now set it. Now 11:36 a.m. set. Repeat every month on 4th. Open Flipkart automatically. So let's see how it. Tap on a complete option. Now routine set on my device. Now wait until the here you can see the 11:34 on my device. So wait until the 11:36 and we will receive the notification on my device. Let's see how it works. Tap on a plus icon here to select along and like tap on a exercise option. Tap on a next. Here you can select your exercise notification details. So follow you can use Samsung Health application here or other. So you need to select the function you want to use using this modes and routine on your device and set it on your device. So wait until the option here you can see the 11:35. Now wait until the 11:36 and we show how it looks when you receive the notification. Now when 11:36 complete you can see the notification pop up. So this is the most advanced update for the all Samsung Galaxy users or latest Samsung devices in these modes and routine settings on your Samsung device. So make sure update your good lock module and with these routines update 1.1.1.8 on your Samsung device to receive these new amazing features that will very helpful in any shopping or any meeting. Now you can see the notification Flipkart. So tap tap on it here. You can see tap on open Flipkart to quickly open it. Tap on it. Now tap on open Flipkart. First we like this. Tap on open Flipkart. Now we can't open it. I don't know why. So you can easily use this new latest mode and routine settings on your Samsung Galaxy devices. That's it. Like it, share it.